Hi everybody, it's Jennifer and today is day 10 of my 50 days to 50, the countdown to my birthday, where I am getting rid of something every single day leading up to it. And today's item, I am in the kitchen and it is going to be sauce packets. Sauce packets from takeout. Whether it is fast food or just something that you've taken to go, if you're anything like me, I don't mean to necessarily keep them, but I do. I seem to collect them, and to be perfectly honest, I have no idea how old some of these are. I've actually Googled before to see if it's something that expires, and I do not have a definitive answer. So the truth is, I do not need a ketchup packet from an unknown to me product make date because I have ketchup in the refrigerator already. So I don't really need to hang on to these. I think I'm going to use them, but then I don't, because if I go and order from the same place, they tend to give me more packets anyway. So not sure why I'm hanging on to them. I think I'm going to use them, but I do not. And that means they need to go. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, follow, and I will see you for day 11.